Alright, here we are, got everything laid out. I've got soldering station fired up, sponges, spongy, just in case spongy gets unspongy. And here we are. So, I'll periodically check in as I go along, and we'll see how it goes. Alright then. Alright, I have did my first set of soldering globules, I guess you will. And came out pretty well. Alright, here we are, all assembled. About to put that battery in there, see how it came out. And we've got lights. Right off the jump, guys, first time. Not too shabby. Alright, well, I have switched out the R4 and R6 transistors. Let's put the battery in and see what we got. And there it is. Not much of a change, but alright.